Hey my loves, what's up and welcome back to the Trend Diaries. I'm Nidhi and in today's video I'll be reviewing another lipsticks and these were requested very cute mini lipsticks from Pudaier Cosmetics. So if you want to know more about these and the swatches on Bare Skin NC42 then please continue watching. I would leave the timestamps on the screen itself and in the description box. So firstly, we'll start off with the review. The lipsticks are from Pudaier and they do come in this outer cardboard packaging. Very cute mini lipsticks. So the name of these lipsticks are the Pudaier Mini Lip Glaze. They look very cute, just like your pills, and extremely sweet and dolly kind of packaging. So this is the soft matte box that you get. You have the name, the expiry written right at the bottom and the shade number sticker right over here on the other side. The product is cruelty free and you can use it up to 6 months once opened. You have all the ingredient list and everything listed on the box itself. It does contain 4.5 ml of product. So though the size of the lipstick is really small, but the quantity you're getting is almost like your full lipstick size, because even my Nykaa ones, the full ones have 5 ml of product. So this is like 4.5 ml, so the quantity is really good, so don't go just by its size. You can purchase these from pudaier.com. They do ship worldwide. So I'm having 3 shades with me. One is 907, 908 and 915. So these are the 3 shades and all 3 are nudes, you know, Nidhi. So this is how the inner packaging comes. Oh my god, these are so cute. So cute, man. These are just like even smaller than the size of my finger. They are so small, so adorable. Absolutely love the packaging. So you do get a soft matte pink kind of tubular packaging with the name of the brand right on the pink cap, and you get the shade number sticker right over here as well. So when you open it, this is the small chotu sa doe foot applicator that you get. It's basically a tear duct shape applicator with a hole right in the middle so that it carries a lot of product and you do not have to redip. It is slightly tilted and the size of the applicator is so good, you guys. It fits exactly on my lips, you know. So I have to just like go 1, 2, 3, mom, and done. Really love the packaging. It is very sweet. It is small, sturdy, and you can just throw it in your purse, throw it in your jeans, and you can move around. You know, it does not occupy a lot of space. It is not bulky, very travel friendly, and also awesome shades. I guess they have 18 different shades from reds, pinks, oranges, nudes, browns. I'm wearing the shade 907 on my lips right now, which is a beautiful mauve, purple, nude shade. Absolutely stunning. I am in love with these. Now talking about the formula, guys, these are not liquid lipsticks. These are creamy. They are very moussey, whipped like in texture. So when you apply them, it feels as if you're applying some kind of lip cream on your lips, and then they set into a complete matte finish. So these are soft matte and velvet to the touch. Like if you touch your lips, they feel so soft velvet like. These I would compare to your NYX SMLCs or even your Miss Claire SMLCs. They are very similar in texture. Also guys, these are so long lasting. Even my NYX and Miss Claire ones, though they are lip creams, they just are on my lips for such a long time. Even after meals, you know, they survive really strong. They do not settle in the fine lines on my lips. They do not exaggerate the fine lines on my lips or the cracks on my lips. They settle beautifully. They do not transfer. They do not transfer once they are all matte. These are very comfortable. These are non-sticky. These are non-sticky. These are not even drying. Though I would recommend you to apply lip balm beneath it, but as these are comfortable mattes, like they are not like drawing wale mattes. These are very comfortable mattes. Absolutely loved the formula. I so wanna try all the shades from their range. These are so good and so pretty to have in your collection. I mean, like, oh my god, these are absolutely adorable. Don't tell me you didn't like the packaging. Okay, I loved the packaging. All about the formula. Absolutely loved them. Non-sticky, non-drying. They do not bleed. They do not transfer. These are long lasting. These do not smudge, like very slightly. If you like rub your hand, like slightly they would smudge, but the color payoff is superb. They are very pigmented, intense in the colors. Loved them. They do smell like a whipped chocolate. So like if someone is just baking or making that chocolate cake or whipping chocolate, oh my god, it's the same smell. absolutely love them, but you know, it just fades off with time, just like Cadbury. Yeah, just like Cadbury, like melted Cadbury, the smell. Definitely, if you want to buy them, you can buy them from Pudaier.com, but I would recommend you guys to buy after this pandemic ends, as I was having these and many of you recommended me, so I am reviewing this. But definitely do not place orders right now. Order after the pandemic ends, you know, so that both the sides we are seeking for safety. And yeah, they do ship worldwide. You can also use my code Nidhi for 20% off any order from Pudaier. Completely a non-affiliate code, it's just a tracking code, so I am gaining nothing out of it. But definitely, if this works in future, maybe I would get something, but currently I'm gaining nothing. But yes, you can save 20% off your entire order on Pudaier using my code Nidhi. I would leave the website, the discount code and everything, the shades that I have, in the description box for you guys, so you can check them out. So yeah, I'm just having 3 shades, so I've swatched 3 out of the 18. You would see the swatches next. And yes, if you like this video, then hit that like button. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't yet subscribed. Meet you guys soon in my next video. Till then, take care, stay healthy, be happy, take care of your family. Till then, take care, namaste, and keep trending.
that.